We have given universal set U and we have sets A, B, C, D. In this example, we have to determine the symmetric difference of sets B and D. First, what is the symmetric difference? The symmetric difference of sets B and D consists of those elements which belong to B or D but not to both. So let me write this, that this is all elements such that X belongs to B or X belongs to D but not to both. So in other words, we cannot put to symmetric difference those elements which repeats in set B and in set D. So let's check first this. In set B we have 2 and in set D we have 2. So 2 we cannot put. Next we have 3 and we don't have 3 in this, so 3 can be 5 and we don't have 5, so it's okay. Next we have 7 and we don't have 7 and 15 and we don't have 15 in set D. The symmetric difference of sets B and D is we have to copy all elements from set B and all elements from set D, and we cannot put elements which repeat. 2 repeats, so we cannot put 2. So we have 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10 and 15. So this is the symmetric difference of sets B and D. This is my solution.